If you run a community on Whop and need to change the price, the important thing to understand is that your community pricing is tied to a product. That means when you update the price, you're really editing the billing options attached to that product. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to change your Whop community price, whether you want to adjust an existing price or create a brand new pricing tier. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick Whop tutorials just like this. First, log into your Whop account at whop.com using the seller account that owns your community. Once you're inside, go to your dashboard. From there, look for the Products section in the left-hand menu. This is where all of your community products are listed. Click on the specific community product you want to update. Now, if your goal is simply to change the amount, like increasing a monthly plan from $25 to $35, this is the easiest route. Scroll down to the Pricing section and locate the current price. In many cases, you can click directly on the amount and type in the new price. If Whop lets you edit that amount, enter the new number carefully and make sure it matches the exact pricing you want to offer. After updating the number, go to the bottom of the page and click Save Changes. This step is important because the new price won't go live until the changes are saved. Once saved, your community page will reflect the updated pricing for new buyers. But here's something very important to know. If you are changing the price of an existing subscription option, that change usually applies only to new customers. Your current members may remain on their original legacy rate, so if someone already joined at a lower price, they may continue being billed at that old amount unless you manually update their individual billing settings. That means changing the displayed price does not always change what existing members are paying. Now let's go over the second route, which is what you should use if you want to change the billing structure itself. For example, maybe you want to switch from a one-time payment to a recurring subscription, or maybe you want to add a yearly plan alongside your monthly plan. In that case, you should create a new pricing tier instead of trying to convert the old one. Inside your community product editor, scroll down to the payment configuration area. Look for the button that says Add another visible billing period. Click that to start creating a new pricing option. Whop will then let you choose the type of tier you want to add. You can select free, one-time or recurring, depending on how you want to charge. Next, choose your currency and enter the new price amount. If you selected a recurring plan, you'll also need to set the billing interval, such as weekly, monthly, or yearly. Take your time here and make sure the settings reflect the exact offer you want customers to see. This is the best way to build multiple pricing options for the same community. Once your new price tier is ready, you can decide what to do with the old one. If you want new visitors to stop buying the old option, open the Advanced Options drop-down next to that pricing tier. From there, turn off Show on Store page. If you no longer need it at all, you can delete it completely. Hiding or deleting the old tier helps keep your checkout page clean and prevents confusion for new buyers. After that, click Save Changes at the bottom of the page. This final step applies your new pricing layout to your live store pages and checkout experience. Once saved, your Whop community will show the updated price structure exactly as configured. So to quickly recap, if you only want to change the dollar amount, edit the existing price and save it. If you want to change the billing model, add a new billing period, configure the new tier and then hide or remove the old one. That is the cleanest and safest way to update your Whop community price without messing up your setup. If this video helped you, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step Whop tutorials, creator tools, and online business tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.